Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonam and today I'll announce all the ongoing giveaway winners. So let's get started. Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos. First of all, thank you so much for all the love and support you guys have shown me. Since it was an effort-based giveaway, we have some clear winners for the YouTube giveaways, but I found a few had put efforts but they were not active on my channel, which is the most important rule. The only rule in fact, rest are to just gather some brownie points. So considering all these and the extra brownie points earned by some of you, here are the YouTube giveaway winners. Now for the Insta giveaway, there were 3 top contestants based on efforts. Since I could only pick one of them, I went for a lucky draw and the winner of the lucky draw is... Some of you who did not win, please don't lose heart. There will be many more giveaways in future. And after all, we are building relationship here, right? I know you guys have a true spirit and understand my position as well, that I have to give a fair decision while choosing the winners. So winners, please DM your address within 48 hours or else I will have to choose another winner. And others, do stay tuned till the next giveaway, which is coming up pretty soon. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. So that's all for today. I'll see you again next time. Till then, take care. Bye.